lalo pa sa panahon natin ngayon, ang dami nating pinagdadaanan. Yung iba gusto manood ng concert para gumaan ang pakiramdam.
Yes.
Pero lalo pa ngayon ikaw bilang isang Cebuana, yung kumbaga kahapon, kagabi, may nangyari. Anong parang awit mo para sa kanila o may aalay mo? Kumbaga dagdag na para mas gumaan mga
Yes.
pakiramdam nila.
I mean, there's so many songs po, but one of the songs that I feel na I could dedicate sa lahat. I mean, of course, there was the earthquake that happened nga po in my hometown in Cebu. But also, I don't want to be blind about everything that's going on in our country. Nakakapanghinayang lang po talaga. And so I think my song for everybody would be, this is an original by Andre Day. It's called Rise Up. And I really love that song for what it stands talaga na. And rising up doesn't have to be being super diba, super aggressive. Sometimes you just need to be strong. You need to be strong. And so it would be that song po, yung Rise Up ni Andre Day. Yung lyrics niya, I feel like kahit hindi man po ngayon, always siya relevant. And so I wanna dedicate that song to our nation, to everybody, to, of course, sa mga kababayan ko po sa Cebu and everyone affected sa earthquake. That would be my song po para sa kanila.
Pwedeng sample kahit yung chorus lang.
Sige ba?